Looking for the best cordless hot glue gun but not sure which one to choose? Stick around. This video breaks down the top contenders from worst to best so you don't waste a dime on the wrong tool. Starting off our list is the Surebonder CL800, a hybrid glue gun that tries to give you the best of both worlds, corded and cordless. But while that sounds great in theory, in practice it ends up being more of a backup solution than a go-to cordless tool. It only runs for about 2 to 3 minutes off the heating base before needing to return it for a recharge. So technically yes, it's cordless, but not in the way you might hope. What this glue gun does have going for it is its power and temperature. It heats up to around 380 degrees, which is solid for bonding tougher materials like wood or ceramic. It also takes full-size glue sticks, which means you're not constantly refilling like miniguns. Safety-wise, it's well equipped with an insulated nozzle and side fins to prevent glue backflow, and the built-in stand helps keep your workspace clean. But the big downside here is the runtime. 2 to 3 minutes of use before you need to park it back on the base just doesn't cut it for most projects. It's also on the heavier side, and because it doesn't run on a battery, it's not ideal for mobility. Compared to truly cordless battery-powered models, this one feels more tethered than free. If you mostly work at a desk or only need short bursts of glue, it could still be useful, but for real on-the-go crafting or heavy use, you'll want to look further up the list. And by the way, if you're interested in any of the glue guns we cover today, you'll find the best prices linked for you right down in the description. Next up, we've got the Hado cordless glue gun. It's small, sleek, and easy to hold, making it perfect for quick jobs and craft projects. With its 30-second heat up and smart power off features, it feels like a thoughtful design, especially if safety and simplicity are priorities for you. Now in terms of portability and convenience, this thing shines. It charges with USB-C, stands upright on its own, and even includes an anti-drip nozzle to keep your workspace tidy. For people working with delicate materials or doing precision work, this is a super comfortable tool to use. But let's be real, it's only 8 watts. That's on the lower end of the power scale. You won't get strong bonds on heavy materials, and you'll be limited by the small 7mm glue sticks. Battery life isn't well documented either, so expect frequent recharges during longer sessions. Still, if your projects are small and you care more about design and user-friendliness than raw performance, the Hado is a solid pick. And hey, if this video is helping you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gear breakdowns like this one. The next step up is the cordless glue gun from Tillswall, and yes, it comes in pink. It bumps up the power to 15 watts, making it a bit more versatile than the Hado while still staying super compact and lightweight. Warm-up time is still quick at around 30 seconds, and the included 20 glue sticks give you a great starter kit right out of the box. Like the Hado, it charges via USB-C and has the same auto shut-off feature, but it edges ahead in performance. The nozzle is leak-proof, the body is ergonomic, and the color? It might not be for everyone, but it definitely stands out in the toolbox. Its downsides are still tied to the mini size. Small glue sticks mean frequent reloading, and you're not getting industrial-grade output here. The 2000 mAh battery is good, but not groundbreaking, and you might notice it struggling on more demanding projects. This one's ideal for frequent crafters who want a step above the basics but don't need heavy-duty power. If you're working on decorations like DIY or school projects, this gun won't disappoint. Now here's a mini glue gun that really pulls ahead in battery life and speed. The GoGo Nova model packs a 5000 mAh battery and heats up in just 15 seconds. That's the fastest in our list, and with the longest battery life too. If you're tired of recharging mid-project, this one's built to keep you going. It's slightly bulkier than other mini options, but that extra weight comes with serious battery stamina. It also comes with a generous pack of 25 glue sticks, so you're set for quite a few sessions before needing to restock. The USB-C charging base is a neat touch, keeping your workspace organized and your glue gun ready to go. It's not without its limits though. It's still using 7mm glue sticks, so output is on the lower side. And even though it's more powerful than the Hado, it won't handle large materials or heavy-duty bonding like a full-size model. If you're a serious crafter or someone who loves detailed DIY but hates downtime, the GoGo Nova is easily one of the best cordless minis out there. Topping the list is the MAXDONE cordless glue gun, and this one means business. It's got 100 watts of power and takes full-size glue sticks, giving you the kind of performance you'd expect from a corded unit, but in a totally cordless design. The best part? It runs on DeWalt 18 or 20-volt batteries, so if you're already in that ecosystem, you're golden. It's versatile too, offering dual modes to switch between 60 and 100 watts depending on the task. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or heavy plastics, this gun can handle it. It's solid, durable, and really well suited for professionals and serious DIYers alike. The trade-off is size and weight. It's heavier than miniguns and does require an external battery, which isn't included. Warm-up time is a bit longer at 3 to 5 minutes, but once it's ready, it runs strong and steady. If you're looking for top-tier cordless power and you want a glue gun that can handle serious work without breaking a sweat, this is the one to beat. That's our full breakdown. If you're ready to grab the right glue gun for your projects, check out the best prices in the links below the video. And of course, like, subscribe, and stick around for more honest reviews coming your way.